Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel. That is Wasimullah, graphics and architectural designer. In this tutorial of Photoshop, I will tell you or show you how to use the crop tool, perspective crop tool, slice tool, slice select tool. So without wasting time, let's jump into Photoshop. Now let me open the image. Any image, you can take it from your computer. This was shown in my display, so that's why I have taken it. Otherwise I will take it from here. Any picture you can take it. Now this is crop tool. How to use the crop tool? If you want to crop an image, the area which you want to capture it, highlight it, and then drag it. Suppose let me tell you once more. Select the image or picture or photo, go to the corner arrows. Now you can see it as I have selected this this particular area, and now press double click on with your cursor with your mouse. Now it make an image like cropping it. If you use any kind of area which you specifically, if you want to if you needed that kind of an area, you should drag it to the right side, or if you want this kind of area of this particular area, or if you needed that from bottom to the top side, this particular area. I'm moving with a mouse cursor. I have selected this cloud. Now click or double click on with your mouse. It actually crops an image or a photo or pictures. Now perspective crop tool. It makes it crop an image with in a perspective view. I've selected perspective crop tool. I'm selecting the area which I wanted. Now I want to. I've selected the area. Now it's go in the perspective way. The corner anchors. Perspective way. Now it's selected an area in a perspective way. Now press Ctrl Z. Slice tool. It slice an image in four parts or two parts. How much you want. Let's make an image. Now select this kind of area. Double click on the layer. Click OK. Make it changes to layer. The background. Make it to layer the image. Now slice tool. Slice select tool. I have selected the area. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Ctrl C for copy and make a new layer. Click on this button or press Ctrl Shift N and press Ctrl V. Now it's select that kind of area which I have selected. So this was a quick tip. I will be back for the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel. That is Wasimullah, graphics and architectural designer. Have a good day. Bye.